Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. This is going to be a little different. Today's video is going to be a Grove collaborative unboxing. I finally got my shipment from them and I'm super excited. I've never been so excited for cleaning products like I am excited as if it was makeup. You know what I mean? I don't know what it is, but at the beginning of the year, there was something that changed me and I said where I want to start cleaning with cleaner products and non-toxic, only because I do have younger children and I want to be able to clean when they're around me. Since they're always around me, I don't want the chemicals to get to them and affect them. So I came across Grove after starting my YouTube channel, and I started seeing a lot of mothers and a lot of people that did the cleaning with me on YouTube. They were using Grove Collaborative, and I said, what is this? Let me check it out. I checked it out. I fell in love. I reached out to them. I said I wanted to collab with them, and they sent me links that you guys can use to, save some money when you order from them. So I will put that down in the description box below. I think it's really cool. I'm really excited. So let's just go ahead and get to unboxing. And I did open it, but I said I'm going to film it. So that's why it's already opened. Okay, so the first thing is, okay, it's a scrubber sponge. This is a walnut, and it comes with two. I've seen a lot of videos where they were using these and said they work really, really well, so I'm excited about that. And then it comes with a card. This is so cute, and this is from Marissa at Grove. The card even smells green, like, if that makes sense. Like, it smells like it's not made with chemicals. Okay. Let's see. Oh, it's pretty cool. Okay, so the first thing is the Method Daily Shower. This is eucalyptus mint. I want to try this one. I have a different one. I can't remember the name of it. I do like it. I do want to use this on my shower. So this is the one that I got. So excited. And then this is the Mrs. Mayer's Cleaning Day in Honeysuckle Scent. When I first started my cleaning, cleaning, that's what I'm gonna call it. This was the first brand that I bought at Target. This was the first brand. It smelled so good that I bought the candle. I bought, I think there's a bathroom spray. I bought the counter spray and also the dish soap, and I was in love. This was my spray. So yeah, so that's the third thing I got. And then also I got the dish soap to go along with it. And I love how they package their products when they send to you, because a lot of this can spill out or anything, and I like how they stick it, and also they have these extra stuffing in here so that it can seal tight. And I will say that when the delivery person dropped it off, he did throw it, and I was like, no. But now, since it's packaged so well, I'm like, okay, it was fine. And then the next thing is the Method Squirt and Mop. This is a hard floor cleaner. I wanted to try this one since I've been using a little mixture that I put together myself. This one is the lemon ginger. Of course, I love anything lemon. So I can't wait to try this one. Yeah, this is going to be exciting. I'm so excited. I'm ready to clean already, and I haven't even finished the video. And then the next thing is the Mrs. Mayer's Clean Day. This is hand soap in lilac. I like the smell. I'll probably wait until it gets a little bit warmer. I'm kind of weird where, depending on the seasons, I like certain smells, as far as candles and body washes and dish soaps and all that stuff. So I'm gonna use this once it gets closer to summertime, and I can just be in the whole little spirit of summer. And then also, okay, and this is a glass cleaner. It's orange and rosemary. It's 1 ounce concentrated. Okay, I know this is for. So it comes in a tube, and then also it comes with this 16 ounce spray bottle. Let's open this up. is so cute. Oh, this is so cute. So I'm guessing it goes in here and I can use this as a glass cleaner. Right here it says Grow Collaborative. This is so cute. I love little stuff like this. I think it's so cute. It is, this gives you more motivation just to clean more. So cute. I'm so excited. Let's see what's in here. Okay, and this is the Bubble Up, the soap dispenser and dish brush set. I've been dying to try this one only because I see everyone using it and it looks so cute and cool. Oh, I'm so excited. So pretty much how it works, it looks like this. How cute is that? And it sits in your little, by your sink, and I guess you put, okay, so I'm guessing, I don't know, let me read it. So I guess you put soap in there and then you swirl it around and you use it on like your pots and pans or whatever. Let's see, how does this work? Okay, so it says to use, add soap and water to the spring-loaded ceramic base. Move the brush up and down to generate foam. Okay. Clean brushes in a mire. There's sparkle. Refill with soap and water as necessary. And then clean brush with warm water, soapy water. Clean brush with warm soapy water. Pop the ceramic base on the top rack of your dishwasher for a good clean. Okay. So this is like it has springs on it. So this is really, really cool. I was wondering, oh, this is so, I'm excited. I can't wait to wash my dishes. And I usually can't. I usually hate washing dishes, but now I'm like ready to wash them. This is cute. I like this. My husband might even enjoy this. Even though he doesn't wash dishes, but he may see that it's pretty cool. So he may try. And then, let's see. I believe this is the last, yeah, this is the last thing. And this is another thing that I was like, okay, I gotta have it because everyone had it. I thought it was so cute. And it's so good to have. Because when you're carrying around your cleaning products, especially like me, I have stairs. So when you're carrying them around, you know, you don't want to be holding them in your hand. You have other things going on. So this is the caddy. So cute. And it says Grow Collaborative. Yeah, so this is the caddy where you pretty much put all of your little cleaning supplies in here. And you put your towel and your sponge like this, and you carry it and you take it to where you're gonna clean. This is so cute. I'm so excited. I've never been so happy to clean. It's really weird, but cleaning is so hard when you have children. Like, you can't keep anything clean. I had to try this. I'm just so ready to clean my house. I will be doing a new video on cleaning. I'm trying to think of different ideas of cleaning because you guys already seen my kitchen. You've already seen my bedrooms. I do want to do a couch cleaning video since my couch is a mess. And literally, my 1-year-old has destroyed my couch. Anything that spills on it is just like, it just sits there. If you don't wipe it up and dry it right away, it's totally bad. So I want to do a cleaning video with that. That will be a long video since I will show you exactly how I clean it, and it takes a lot. Next couch will not be that color. It will be a darker color until they get older. But yeah, so I'm super, super excited about more videos. I can't wait to clean. I will, like I said, I will put some links down below in the description box where you guys can get money off. By clicking my link. I would really, really appreciate it. I want you guys to all join the Grow Collaborative family because it's amazing, you guys. Like, I love it. Like, I will put links down below so you guys can join the fun because this is so exciting to me. And also, it's therapeutic. Like, it's something about just sitting at my sink and washing the dishes and looking outside. It just calms me down and it makes me like block out the noise from my children. And just, you know, so why not film it? And that's what I started to do, and I love it so, so much. So I'm super, super excited. So you guys will be seeing more videos like this from me. If you guys have any questions or any comments, go ahead and leave them down below. Go ahead and subscribe, give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.